RFID or radio frequency identification system is a hardware device which scans the student's RFID smart card and registers his or her presence. It is installed within the perimeters of the educational institution. The smart card stays with the student. It contains his or her unique ID such as RFID and fingerprint. This RFID smart card information is scanned by the RFID device, which Smart Attendance System. Did you know that most cases of missing children occur when they are traveling to or from school? According to the Home Ministry, almost 1 lakh children go missing every year. It has thus become a matter of critical importance that our children stay safe and when fulfilling their basic right to education. And the burden of students' safety lies heavily on the educational institution they belong to, be it school or college. Guaranteeing the safety of its students not only builds the institution's goodwill in the market, it also gives peace of mind to the students' parents. But how can the objective of student safety be and whereabouts and assure them that their children are safe when they attend school or college? The system also helps school and college administrators monitor their students' attendance across a period of time. Our smart attendance system has 3 components: GPS tracking system, biometric RFID attendance system, and smart card. The GPS or global positioning system tracks the location of a student when traveling to school and back home. RFID or radio frequency identification system is a hardware device which scans the student's RFID smart card and registers his or her presence. It is installed within the perimeters of the educational track the student. The most unique aspect about the smart attendance system is that it requires no complicated hardware connections or internet settings. There are no heavy purchases costs involved either. The RFID system is a simple plug-and-play device which can be installed easily at any convenient location within the institution. An additional RFID device can be installed inside the transport vehicle for tracking the student's presence and position. Let us now use a short example to understand how simple it is to use our smart attendance system. Anil studies in the 7th grade of ABC High School, which is 10 kilometers from his home. When the school bus arrives at his stop, Anil flashes his smart card at the RFID device installed inside the vehicle. The device immediately sends an SMS to his mother's mobile informing her about Anil's boarding time, date, and location. When Anil reaches school, he flashes his smart card at the RFID device installed at the admin building. His mother once again receives an SMS containing Anil's arrival date and time at school. A similar notification is sent to the school administrator's computer, which he uses to record and track Anil's attendance. The same process is repeated at the end of the day. Anil flashes his smart card at the RFID device, an SMS notification is automatically sent to his mother's informing her of Anil's departure, date and time. Then, when Anil boards the school bus, he again flashes his smart card at the RFID device. Another SMS is immediately sent to his mother informing her that Anil has boarded the bus and is on his way home. She can even track the bus on virtual map on her mobile phone and be alerted.